The Bills and Bengals are a half hour away from kickoff. One could argue this is the most anticipated matchup of the weekend. So let's do a break. I got a blaster box of 2022 Prizm wrestling cards, and I got them from Walmart, and they are discounted. Got this box for $20. Let's see if I can get my money's worth. In my last Prizm break, I pulled a Nikki Bella auto redemption card. Who knows what awaits me in this box here. All right. Amelia McKenzie, Prismatic Entrances, Goldberg. A few breaks ago, I pulled a green Prizm variant of that card. Bianca Belair, Wild Boar, Batista, and a Gigi Dolin silver Prizm. Ginny, Ridge Holland, Next Level, The Edge. Trent 7, Finn Bálor, Mace, and Finn Bálor once again. Green Prizm. Braun Breaker, Robert Stone, Stone Cold Steve Austin, Ilja Dragunov. Gold insert. Joe Gacy, Bailey, and Bobby Lashley Fearless. So I did not even come close to break it even compared to what I paid for this box, but that is the risk you take. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. I will most likely be back with one more break before the end of the day.